Alright, here is my final project. I made a motion sensing detect light controller. So here are the kitchen track lights. This is the socket that is controlled. It's a dimmer socket, so you can dim the lights. And what I've done is I'm using a relay to control the on and off of the switch, and the relay is controlled by an Atmega 328 with the Arduino bootloader that you see right there. And I am getting my power from the wall with this transformer. Unfortunately, the transformer doesn't have the current that I needed to have the LCD be at um, be completely visible while the transformer is active. So it's very dim when the transformer is active. When the relay is not active, the LCD is visible and operating normally. I will replace the transformer with a higher rated current. Unfortunately, the data sheet for the relay, well, it did not. I did not judge how much current I was actually going to be needed. But here we have 5-volt rail is controlling the relay, and right now it is on, and this is the um, motion detecting sensor. What it does is detects and sends out a signal along this brown wire, and it's active low. And when that occurs, I pull the line for a low signal, pull down, and turn the relay on. It's set up so it's user configurable for what time of day you want the relay can be active. So it can be disabled during different parts of the day, and I set it up so you can set the time, change the time, the current time, and that is auto increments with a 1 millisecond counter using the RTOS, free RTOS. Right now it's set up to be turned on, and it is actively scanning. As you can see, as I move my hand along this detector, it blinks that light, which shows that there was detected. When that light went off, that was the 5 minute interval where the light automatically turns off. I just happened to move my hand right when it was about to turn off. And after 5 minutes of no detection, the Atmega 328 turns the relay off. So we're going to wait for 5 minutes and show you when it turns off. Alright, it's been almost 5 minutes. This should turn off. What will happen is the lights will go off and that red LED will turn off also. The red LED indicates that the transformer is currently active. So let's wait for that. We'll also hear a click, which is the sound of the mechanical portions of the transformer disabling. What I've done is I've turned, oh, there we go. The LED's off, the lights are off, And what I've done was there's a mode in the programming that allows for to disable the motion detector. So motion detector was deactivated during the 5-minute wait, so I can demonstrate the um, the transformer, the relay triggering. And now we can see the time a lot more clear because we're not using all that current for the relay. To control the user configurable settings on the Atmega, the user interface, I use these two two push buttons that are pulled every 300 milliseconds, and one cycles through the menu, the other cycles through the values. So I can change the time. I can what else can I do? I can change turn the scanning mode on and off. I can um, set it to display mode where it displays the current time. I can change the current clock. I can change the start time of the day for when the scanning should start. And I can change the stop time of the day when the scanning ends. And I can turn it to menu mode. Alright, that's my project. The rest of the details are in the write-up. Thank you.